Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm so happy to have you here. Welcome. My name is Hazel and the channel is called Hazel Hopes. I'm hoping today to tone this grey head of hair. Now you may see there's a little bit of tingy brassiness which definitely has occurred more in the last 2 to 3 weeks. I've been swimming, I've had a holiday. But anyway, I do not have a go-to brand that I trust and love. I'm going to be testing them out with you. I'll give you my opinion. I am not sponsored by any of these companies. This is purely my experience on silver grey hair. I'm going to shampoo my hair with the same shampoo and I'm going to use this. Now this is a really great detox shampoo, it gets rid of all pollutants and build up of your hair. Then I'm going to use the toner shampoo. Sometimes they say it's blue, sometimes they say it's purple. Right, so I am only going to be using the shampoos from these brands. I am not going to be using their conditioner. And this is the Umberto, you see it there, Umberto Gianni. And this is pure blonde and it's 93% natural. Tone correct purple shampoo. It says it's for blonde or grey hair. I made sure to make sure that it said about the grey hair. It banishes brassy and yellow tones for instantly brighter, blonder hair from first wash. I'm going to use this Anasi and this is the avocado and mango restorative hair mask. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a bit of this after I've shampooed it into a dollop of this, and that's going to be my purple blue shampoo for this test. Okay, so as you can see my hair has been washed and I'm going to be applying this purple shampoo now. I mean, make sure to wear a dark top if you're just doing your hair over the bath or whatever. I'm just going to do one section first. I'm going to do the front section first, just like so, then reach for the back. And this one says to leave in for, I think it says 2 to 3 minutes. Some suds in there. The reason I used a shampoo before this shampoo is because I just wanted to get the normal grime and stuff out of my hair, and because I wanted this test to be consistent. That's why I'm using the same shampoo and I'm using the same conditioner. The only thing that's changing will be the purple shampoo. Okay, so that's all one side done. Again, back to the front first. So do it in sections. Watch your skin. Do wash your hands as soon as you can afterwards, because you do not want to have purple fingers. Leave this in for 2 minutes. Okay, so that's 2 minutes in. I am now gonna wash that out and then do the next stage with you. So that is now all washed out. I am now gonna do the conditioning part. So a little dollop there, the tiniest little blue dot. I'm gonna put that, because that now is my purple conditioner, okay? And I'm gonna be able to put the comb through it now and let that sit for maybe a minute or two. It's worth noting, firstly, make sure to wipe down any blue splashes on your tiles in your bathroom and what have you. So this video, if it's a week later, 3 weeks later, a month later, I will tell you the next time I've used it compared to this one that I've done today. But this has now been about 2 minutes, so I'm going to take it out right now. And it's going to stay in this t-shirt now. And I am then going to just dry my hair and go. So I will do a little video tomorrow of my hair when it's completely dry, and a comparison to if it's brighter or if it's still brassy. We shall find out. So I will see you shortly. Hi guys, next day. So this is my hair dried. I'm about to go out. One thing I think I can see is there's still tingy brassy bits there. My underneath bits is a little bit of a tinge, but there is quite a lot of bright silver grey underneath there, but then you see a bit like that, and that is the tingy brassiness. On this side, I mean, it looks quite dark at the moment, and I don't think that's because I'm going brunette, because I'm not, and I didn't leave this on for very long. So, but they say with these shampoos that you can put them on, and within that one wash, you can notice how much brighter your hair is. And I don't feel like bright, like, oh, my lovely silver hair is really bright today. I'm not getting that feeling from this product. So on to the next one.
The top photograph is before I shampooed and the bottom photograph is after I shampooed, and there's not much of a difference.
Hi guys, it's 2.5 weeks later from my last toner. I'm now going to do a different toner because the results of the last one were, yes, my hair was clean, but it wasn't really any brighter. So this is what we're working with. So you can see under here, there's some bright silvers, but then I've got all the brassy tones here. And this side here, similar, all brassy tones here, but underneath, it's quite bright, with the exception of some of the ends. You see all of the brassy tones there. I'm gonna wash my hair again with the same shampoo as last time, and then I'm gonna use the blue shampoo. The blue shampoo I'm using on this occasion is this one here. It's called L'Adore. It says anti-yellowing shampoo, professional salon care. Removes yellow and brassy tones, extra blue pigment. So you've got to be careful to actually make sure you do wash this out of your tiles. The reason I'm filming in the bathroom, by the way, or obvious reasons, I'm washing my hair, but anyone who's thinking, why is it echoey, why is there a noise, it's the bathroom fan. Okay, so I just read, and it does say leave on for 3 minutes. But if you have silver hair or a lot of brightness, leave it on for desired amount. So I think I'm going to leave it on for 4 minutes. I'm going to wash my hair now with my normal shampoo to keep the test consistent, and then I'll be back in a sec. So my hair is washed. I'm getting my blue shampoo now. Whoa, look at that. Looks like... Right, get back in. I'm now going to leave this on for 4 minutes. Okay, 4 minutes timer has now gone off. I'm going to rinse it off. Now I'm going to put the conditioner with a tiny bit of the blue in there, because they always say to buy the conditioner, don't they? There we go. Again, I'm wearing an old top. That's going to leave that in now for a minute or two. Okay, so that's all rinsed out. I've just put in a little bit of leave-in conditioner, and I actually use the same conditioner. I use that by itself as a little bit of leave-in. And I'm going to go and get ready, get dressed, and when it's dry, I'll come back and we shall see together if it's a bit brighter than the last one. I'll see you in a bit. Hi guys, I'm back. I'm just having a quick look through my hair. The underneath bits which were already quite, oh no, I see brassy bits still. Oh gosh, honestly, it might just be these products aren't for me. Oh, I'm confused guys, I really am confused. Yes, my hair is clean. Where it's silver, it's popping silver. However, where it's brassy, it's still brassy. I'm a little bit disappointed. Does anyone have any recommendations? So the question I have is this. is this me doing toner shampoo too often, so therefore my hair is appearing darker and darker each time I do it? Or is it that the product just isn't working on my hair right now? I have used product, I'll put a photograph up of me, and my hair is like, I mean, it's styled, yes, but as far as the brightness, it's bright, but I'm not getting, look, that's brunette. I'm not brunette. I'm completely and utterly grown through silver with salt and pepper, but that is completely brunette. What is going on? Okay, maybe the blue is making me go brown again. I don't know. Is this usual? Okay, but why is my hair going back to brown? I don't understand. But for now, I'll see you in a couple of weeks in this video. Hi guys, so it is probably 5 weeks since my first toning shampoo, and as you can see from my hair, there's quite a lot of darky, brassy bits throughout my hair. The toner shampoo, it made my hair, well, let's just say my silver hair was already bright. You know, the bright silver bits I already had, they were already bright. So it remained bright, so that's fine. But the whole point about me doing the toner shampoo was that it would remove the brassiness. So it might just be a build-up of too much toner. So I'm gonna go on a bit of a detox with toner and don't put any toner on my hair for a month or two and see if I can regain some of my silver looking hair. But yeah, it's all a journey, isn't it? But if anything does work for you, please do let me know. And if you think maybe it's too much of a build-up of toner, let me know that too. But anyway, thank you ever so much for being here. Please like and subscribe and press that notification bell, because I never say that actually. And it will just let you guys know when I put up a new video. I don't just do hair content, I also do shopping and I do trying on things. So it'd be great to see you. Come and see me on those videos as well. But I will see you guys in my next one. Take care, bye.